children, back to the class. So dear children, yesterday we have seen about the fun with grammar. Different exercises there we have seen how we are making the new words and all we have seen that new words, the sound will be same but spelling and meaning will be different. So that things and all we have seen in yesterday's. So today we are going to see the new lesson, that is lesson number 31, integrated exercise. Means here nothing is there, this is you can do by yourself. All the exercise from this many days we are learning different adjectives, tense, preposition, conjunction, interjections, everything we have, adverb, all these lessons we have seen. अभी तक वो सब लर्न किया है ना? So all that adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, ये सब इधर है. All the exercise मिलकर इसी में दिया है. Just you have to, for whatever you have learned, this is a test for you, like testing your brain. So just here I will give you how to do these exercises. I am not going to make you to do. So you try by yourself. If you are not getting, anyhow I will give you as a video. So first one you see. A. Identify the following sentences. Write yes for statements, Q for question marks, C for commands and E for exclamation mark. So that we know very well. So sentences, if you feel that it is a sentence, then you have to give the yes there. First one, the children like interesting stories. The children like interesting story. Is there any questioning here or any command is there? No. So what is there? It is just a statement. So you can write there yes. Yes, you can write. Hurry, India has won the trophy. So here what is there? Intersections, what you have learned? Hurry. So that the exclamatory mark is there. So what you have to write here? Ye. So this is the way you have to complete. You read the sentence, then you will understand. Next one you come. Function the following sentences. Here the sentence is given, but it is not given correct wise. So starting letter should be what letter? What letter we have to use the capital letter, and for the I and all we always, wherever in the middle of the lesson we are using also, we use the capital letter, and if any place name also we use the capital letter. So that all you have to see and write it here. So that all, yes I shall attend the meeting. What you have to write? Yes should be, Y should be capital, yes I small there, I shall attend the meeting, that's all. So I shall attend the meeting, you have to write. I read the Times of India daily. So here Times of India is a, what is that? Newspaper name. So it should be capital. So I should be also is a capital. I read Time. T-I-M-E. Times. So Times of India. I should be capital. India. So Times of India daily. So this is the way you have to give full stop where it is named, and where you have to change the capital letters. There you have to use the capital letters and all. You have to see. The next one. Next exercise what they have given? They have given exercise number. Identify the subject and predicates in the following sentence. You know very well, before the lessons we have seen very clearly what is the subject. The subject, you have to write the subject, and predicate you have to write. The first sentence is what they have given. The sheep are grassy. The sheep are grassy. So the sheep are grassy. So here, what is the subject here? Main subject. The sheep. It is a subject. And left over one is this is a predicate. So this is the way you blind man walks with a stick. The blind man is a subject and walks with a stick is a predicate. So just like that you have to underline and you write there the subject and predicate. Next one also same like that, only subject and predicate they have given. You have to use the exact predicate in the blank. Fill in the blank. Fill in subjects in the following sentence. They have given you just exactly what subject it is suitable. You have to write that you can do by your word. Next one also given supply predicates in this. So before you have done the subject, now you have to write the predicate. The following sentences. The sentence should be completed with your words. Next, if you come, identify the parts of speech of the words in italic. So italic they have given that is which part of speech. The parts of speech you know, it is adverb, it is a conjunction, it is a exclamatory mark or it is interjection. So exclamatory all that marks when it comes we can write that interjection. So interjections or adverb, conjunction, preposition, possessive pronoun or adjective, verb. You have to identify the parts of speech. Means this is a which part. This is a interjection or it is a conjunction. So they have given that differently that words. In italics they have given so that you have seen. First one you see hers. This word is given differently. So this you have to underline what is this one, which kind of parts of speech this is a interjection. So just you give the IN, TER, J, interjection. So just you have to write in that way. So second one you see the tiger runs very fast. Very runs is a verb. So very fast. Fast is a word. They have underlined. So means they have written italic. So fast is adverb because it is a giving the more support to the verb. It is giving more support to the verb. So fast. So adverb. So like this you have to find out. And here Lola is rich, but but they have written. But means what it will come conjunction. So just like that you have to find out and write it is a what exactly and all. Parts of the speech you have to write which part it is. Clear? The next one if you come, change the noun, pronouns, adjectives, verbs in italics into the plural forms. They have given the singular. So that singular form you have to change into the plural. So this is very easy. She hurt her leg in an accident. So what you have to write now? She hurt her legs. Leg is there, so you have to write that she hurt her legs in accident. The next one, the boy went with his uncle. Oh, sorry. Use this knife with care. It is very sharp. So plural how we will change? Use these knives. This knife first they have used because singular. When it is a plural means these. 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 Use these knives. Knives means you have to just add n after what you have to add there? Yes. ES. So KNEFES. These knives. KNIFES you have to add. These knives with care. It is instead of they are. What you have to write? They. What you have to write? They are. These are, not they are. These are you have to write. These are very sharp. These are very sharp. So like this you have to complete. So next one also same like this only. Masculine gender to feminine gender. You have to change. Change the following noun italics from masculine to feminine gender. So masculine gender they have given. You have to change it to the feminine gender. This all you have learned. I have taught you people. Just see, read them properly and you try to change. The king was riding his horse. The king was riding his horse. What you can write? The queen was riding her mole. So like that you have to completely, you have to change the feminine, masculine gender into the feminine gender. So this you can do. Next one also, fill in the blanks using the correct pronoun given in the bracket. Correct pronoun you have to use in the bracket. Correct pronoun. So that they have given you option in that already you have learned in a pronouns lesson. So GC and write down. So the next one, if you come match the following, they have given the adjective. In one side A column they have given the adjective, other side with their respective nouns under the column B. So under the column B, nouns are there. So according to that you have to see and correct it. Good. One side adjective is there A column and B column. What they have given? Noun they have given. Just you have to see it. And first one already they have given good girl. The next one, second one, wonderful village. Like that anything you can write. Next one, rewrite the sentences using simple past tense of the verb given in the bracket. Simple past tense verb. My father dash in the morning. My father prays. What you will write? Prays. P-R-A-Y-S. My father prays in the morning. So this is the K1 we are doing. So K1, my father prays in the morning. I dash my friends every day. I meet my friends every day. Because that is meet is a it is a first person. Directly you can write I meet. I meet my friends in every day. Present tense they have asked. The next one is Sachin dash cricket superbly. So what is Sachin plays cricket. What you can write? Plays. P-L-A-Y-S. Plays. So this is the way you have to add the simple present verb you have to use. Already they have given in the bracket for you. Just you have to add the yes or exactly how to write. You have to see and write. The L1 you see. The L1 what they have given? Rewrite these sentences using the simple past. Now you have seen present, now past tense. Present tense verb they have given that you have to change into the past tense. The mother kissed the baby but it wept. So what you can, the mother kissed the baby but it wept. So just you have to change the past tense verb and you have to write down. Next when you come M, choose the correct answer, choose the correct word given in the bracket, complete the sentences below. So exactly word, which word is suitable you have to see and complete M1. Do not talk so dash, do not talk so loud or loudly, do not talk so loud. So just a loud you can use. Please run quickly. So like that options are there, just you see and write. Next fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. Preposition lesson just before I have taught you in this only. Which preposition is suitable you have to see and write down there. The dog punched dash the cat. The dog punched upon the cat. On the top of the means upon. Just like that you can write. John has been playing the guitar dash 2 hours. Since 2 hours. Long time onwards he is playing. Then fill in the blanks with the articles. So articles you have to, which article I have told you? 2 types of articles are there. Definite and indefinite articles. So that both you have to see and write. The next one, change the sentences into the negative. Negative means we have seen. Not you have to give. No or not, never. All these words you can use there. Use and just you can. The last one you see, rewrite the following sentences using the possessive form of the words. Words with the apostrophe in italics. So just you have to, I fed my geese are ugly. So just you have to make it short and write down. So this you can try by yourself. Dear children, this exercise are given you to test your knowledge, how much you have learned till now. All the exercise already we have done in our different lessons. Everything together they have given in this lesson. I hope you have understood. Please, you try to do it by your own. If you are not understanding when I send the PDF, you can check it. Thank you all.